If you are using Mac and still printing PDF just to sign them, you probably should stop, because in next few minutes I'm gonna show you exactly how to digitally sign a PDF on macOS using Adobe Acrobat. And not only that, we will also touch base on how you can create your digital signature, which is far more secure than simple annotation. We not only talk about creating a new digital signature, but we'll touch base on how you can import if you already have existing. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first prerequisite here is we need to have Adobe PDF Reader installed in our Macintosh. And the good thing here is this software is absolutely free. So if in case you do not have, simply go here and search, type Safari and look for Adobe PDF. And not to worry guys, if you are facing challenge in getting this link, you just check out the link I have already provided in the description of this video. Now from there you need to hit on download Acrobat and follow the simple installation process and you will be good to go. After installing Acrobat, we're gonna open it. So let me type here Acrobat, which is Adobe PDF Reader, and there you go. Now we're gonna do things step by step. So first thing first, let's create our digital signature. And I'm not only talking about creating the annotation, but first of all, let's create our secured and self-signed ID. So for that, you need to go here in Acrobat and then click on Preferences. Now here we need to look for signature. And here we go. Here we have the signature. Now click here on Identity and Trusted Certificates. Now here we need to click on this option. Now here we have got these two options. The first one is to use your existing signature. So if you do have your signature available, connect to your flash drive, or if it is already there in your computer, choose this option, and then from here you need to click on Browse and need to locate your digital ID, and that's how you can install it in your system. Now I'm going to show you actually how we can create new. For that, let's select this bottom option, and now I'm going to click next. Now here I'm going to provide information. So I'm going to say here the Mac Essentials, and then here I can put the organization name, email address, country name, and so on. Now after filling all these information, I would recommend you to keep these below two settings as it is, and then click on next. Now here you need to create your password. So let me quickly create my password. And here also it is recommended you to create an alphanumeric one. So make sure you use combination of numbers, special characters, as well as alphabets. Now click here on finish. And finally here you can see I have created my ID. Now let's click here on close. So we have successfully created our ID. Next thing I'm gonna do is I am going to create annotation, which is more of a visual part. For that, here we need to go on the top, which says creation and appearances. So let's click here on more, and now I'm gonna click here on new. Then here you need to give this visual signature a name. So I'm gonna say my name, and now here also we have option to import graphic, which probably you may require to do, especially in case when you would like to use your annotated signature. And it can be done by simply annotating on your macOS, or you can take picture of your signature through your phone and can upload it. Now in this case, what I'm gonna do here is I am going to create my signature directly here, and now here I would suggest you to open any PDF that probably you might be thinking of signing. So I'm gonna open here this welcome PDF, and the next thing here I'm gonna do is I am going to click on add signature, and here I'm gonna click on draw, and here I'm gonna draw my signature. I know it looks terrible, but I will try my best to draw it in a better way through my mouse. And once I draw it, probably I would like to take screenshot of it, which is by opening another app that is known as Screenshot. So let's open Screenshot. And now I'm going to take screenshot of selected portion, which will be my signature. And once you have that, click on capture. Now you have your signature available. Maybe I can cancel it and I can save it in my desktop. Now again, I'm gonna open here Safari and let's type here PNG to PDF. Now you can use any PDF. I'm gonna use the first one here and I'm gonna select my signature. And now let's click here on convert to PDF and let's click on download. Now once your signature is downloaded, I can close Safari and now we are back again in our Adobe Acrobat. Now let's go back again here in Adobe, go to preferences, signature and creation and appearance. Now I can actually add the signature that we just created. So let's click here on new and now I'm gonna again type my name and let's click on imported graphic and I'm gonna click on browse and we'll try to locate the signature, and this is the signature. Let's click OK and click OK. Now we have created our digital identity and the annotated signature. Now let's say this is the document that I would like to sign. So what I can do here is I can go here in all tools and then need to click on certificate. Now select the option which is digitally sign and then click on OK. Now you can define the area where you would like to add your signature and then select your digital ID that we have created. Now here we can either use this appearance which is standard text, or we can use a sign or annotation that we have created. Now since this is secure, no one except you can use your signature. So this is beauty of this digital signature. Alright, so here you need to type your password, then only you will able to self sign. Now click on sign, and now here since this change will be permanent, you will have to create a new copy which will be read only. So I'm gonna save this in my desktop and now let's click on save. Now here you can see we have digitally signed this document, and we can also see the PDF also says that signed and all signatures are valid. So in this way guys, we can create our digital signature and can sign our document using certificate. And we also saw that everything is secured. Nobody can access your signature until they know, as it is protected using password. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to the Mac Essential for more such productivity videos, and I will see you in next one. Till then, you take care and bye bye.